Hello. The purpose of this video series is to demonstrate the operation of Tecom's D1021 video doorbell, and today I'm going to show you how cloud video recording works. When you set up your video doorbell, please remember that cloud video recording is not activated by default. To start using the function, you have to go to Menu, System Settings, Your Doorbell. Then find Cloud Recording in Video Settings section. Click Activate Cloud Recording. Mine is already activated, so I can see information about the expiry date. It is important to remember that only the account that activates cloud video recording will be the admin. Only the admin account will have access to cloud video recording functions. Now let's go through the settings and see how cloud video recording works. The length of each clip is 30 seconds. You can choose if you want to record 5 seconds before the event happened. This means that the video clip stored in the cloud will show you 5 seconds before your visitor pressed the doorbell button. You can also choose how many seconds you want to record of the event itself. Let's make it 25. Cloud video recording is activated by two types of events. Number one is motion detection. To see how to activate motion detection, please check the link in the description. When video doorbell detects motion, it sends you notification with the date and time. Click on the notification to proceed to the app. To check who or what triggered the event, go to the event logs, motion logs. Check the snapshot or video. I will check the snapshot for this event. Second type of event is when someone presses your doorbell button. In case you missed the video call, you will still be able to see who was looking for you. When you missed a call from a visitor, you will have this yellow icon next to your event log, showing the number of missed calls. Click on Event Log. You will see what time your missed calls happened. Let's check the video this time. Please mind that I'm not trimming the video here. This is the real time it takes me to get access to the video clip in the cloud. Here we go.
As you can see, Doorbell records the video as well as it records the audio.